Antibiotic resistance is a developing threat in our society. Please pay attention to the next clip to be educated on its development and ways to protect yourself and loved ones. Immediate action must be taken in order to stop the spread of drug-resistant malaria in Southeast Asia from spreading. This resistant malaria is prominent in Cambodia, Thailand, Laos, and Vietnam, and it is extremely dangerous due to its resistance to even the most recent forms of treatment. There have been calls for the World Health Organization to declare a public state of emergency for the growing international crisis. Parasites have developed many ways to counteract the effects of anti-parasitic treatments. The resistance may be multifactorial, meaning that it is susceptible to include many different mechanisms at the same time. This usually involves mutations in their genes, duplication of certain genes, and/or acquisition of new genes from their environment in order to produce more or less of certain proteins that are involved in resistance. Concerning the connection of antibiotic resistance and natural selection, it develops via random mutation. This occurrence can first be prevented by being properly educated. Antibiotic resistance develops when an antibiotic loses its ability to prevent the growth of bacteria that becomes resistant to the prescribed antibiotic and continues to grow and multiply. Ways to resist and contain the growth and development of antibiotic resistance is to 1. Do not use antibiotics for illnesses such as influenza, the common cold, a runny nose, or a sore throat. These things are trivial and only progress the issue at hand. Only take medicine when needed or prescribed by your physician, and when prescribed, follow their instructions exactly in order to better your health and prevent the illness from mutating and coming back stronger than the previous strand. Lastly, you can also discuss alternatives such as vaccines to prevent you from contracting illnesses that require antibiotics in the first place. You have been properly warned and educated. You now have no excuse. Please do your job as a citizen and be aware, stay aware, and take care.